Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Djed stablecoin. Now this coin here is listed on CoinMarketCap. It is untracked though right now because it is not fully out yet. There is info on this ADA-backed stablecoin from the Cardano network. This actually was trending on Twitter today. I saw it trending. Had like over 1,000 hashtags, I believe, with Djed in it. And yeah, so people are definitely talking about this new stablecoin that's going to be coming out shortly. I saw it was announced that it's going to be coming out, I think, within the next month or so. But we're going to go over the information on the stablecoin so you know what it is before it comes out. The Djed coin, that is the DJED, that is the name of the coin, and that is also the ticker symbol. Pretty easy to find on CoinMarketCap. But yeah, we're going to go over the info on this in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy anything in this video. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this stable coin here. So you can find their Twitter. I mean, I'm going to put it up right here so you guys can easily find it. But yeah, their Twitter's listed on CoinMarketCap, and it is at Djed Stablecoin. They also have a Telegram at COTI Network, COTI Network. And they have two different web pages listed here. COTI.io. That is basically, it's going to take you to like the whole project there. But if you want a web page specifically regarding the stablecoin, you go to djed.xyz, djed.xyz. That is their official web page. But this is a COTI project, however you want to pronounce it. I don't know how it's pronounced. But yeah, so they have a full white paper as well for the Djed stablecoin on CoinMarketCap, and it is extensive. If you want to spend a long time reading a white paper, they have an 87-page white paper with extremely tiny print. So, I mean, if you want to, like, they got formulas on here. They got all sorts of stuff. If you're a real technical enthusiast here, you can go through these 87 pages. But we're just going to go over the cliff notes today and go over, like, what the stablecoin is in a nutshell. Now, you can go over to their official webpage, and it's got some info on there. You can actually connect your NAMI wallet to the page as well. It says, Djed is the first over-collateralized ADA-backed stablecoin contract on the Cardano network. It operates by keeping a reserve of base coins, ADA, and minting and burning stablecoins and reserve coins. The contract maintains the peg of stablecoins to a target price by buying and selling stablecoins using the reserve and charging fees, which accumulate in the reserve. The ultimate beneficiaries of this revenue stream are holders of the reserve coins who boost the reserve with funds while assuming the risk of price fluctuation. So the founders here, it says, Djed research paper was written and developed by the IOG team, and then it has all their names on here if you want to check that out, and is powered by COTI, or COTI, however it's pronounced. And yeah, then there's a link to that webpage here, so if you want to find out who COTI is, you could check that out. But that's what this project is powered by, or this stablecoin is powered by, I should say. But what makes Djed unique? Djed is the first formally verified stablecoin protocol. The use of formal methods in the programming process has greatly contributed to the design and stability properties of Djed. Using formal techniques, the properties are proven by mathematical theorems. like peg upper and lower bound maintenance. The price will not go above or beyond the set price in the normal reserve ratio range. Purchases and sales are not restricted, and users have no incentive to trade stablecoins outside the peg range in the secondary market. Also, peg robustness during market crashes. Up to a set limit that depends on the reserve ratio, the peg is maintained even when the price of the base coin falls sharply. No insolvency. No bank is involved, so there is no bank contract to go bankrupt. No bank runs. All users are treated fairly and paid accordingly, so there is probably no incentive for users to race to redeem their stablecoins. Monotonically increasing equity per reserve coin under some conditions. The reserve surplus per reserve coin is guaranteed to increase as users interact with the contract. Under these conditions, reserve coin holders are guaranteed to profit. No reserve draining. Under some conditions, it is impossible for a malicious user to execute a sequence of actions that would steal reserves from the bank. And bounded dilution. There is a limit to how many reserve coin holders and their profit can be diluted due to the assurance of more reserve coins. Then there is a bunch of related pages. It says learn more about the Djed stablecoin here. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap. Also learn more about Djed and Shen mechanism. And then if you're new to crypto, you could learn about that. So how did Djed manage to keep its peg? It says Djed stability mechanism is based on a collateral ratio in the range of 400% to 800% for Djed and Shen, which is another coin. That's the ticker symbol for it is SHEN. ADA prices fluctuations are offset by Shen, covering shortfalls and guaranteeing the collateralization rate. The ADA reserve pool is not managed by markets, but by users who mint the Shen reserve coin and add ADA to the pool. This provides a decentralized aspect to the Djed mechanism. Shen holders are incentivized to provide liquidity through fees. As Djed can be over-collateralized up to 8 times, the risk of Djed being unpegged decreases. This means that for every one Djed minted, there are $3 to $7 worth of ADA in the reserve pool. If the ratio falls below 400%, users will not be able to mint Djed, and Shen holders won't be able to burn their Shen. So in the event of a market dip, there is a security blanket for Djed holders that ensures its stability or sustainability. The minting of the new Shen is supervised in order to maintain the balances stabilized and ensures there will always be enough ADA in the pool to provide a dollar equivalent value to the Djed when burning it. So it says, where can I buy Djed? You can mint Djed and Shen directly from its platform or on any Cardano dexes. So the platform link is at djed.xyz. That is the page that I mentioned, and that is where you can connect your NAMI wallet, which is a Cardano wallet. So you can always download a NAMI wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store on your PC or Mac. If you don't have one, that's always available. And then they have all sorts of, info on their page here about the stablecoin, the Shen reserve coin, the reserves. You can check out those. All sorts of info at djed.xyz, and you can find this coin, stablecoin, listed on CoinMarketCap and trending on Twitter as of today. People are excited here, so check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this stablecoin? Do you think this is a good investment, or what? Like, what do you guys think about it anyways? It doesn't have to be a good investment. Just leave your thoughts down there. Do you think this is going to be the future of stablecoins and is going to, rise up there with Tether and BUSD and all those other ones, USDC? Do you think this is going to be a big name in stablecoins? What do you guys think? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.